Jai Gurudev to everyone, this is Meenakshi and today I am taking the maths of class 7th lesson number 5 power and exponents exercise number 5.2 part 6, and in this exercise I am going to take the first question. So let's start with the first question. It is question number 1. Simplify and write the answers in exponential form. So here we have to simplify the question and we have to write the answer in the exponential form. So the question is a 5 raised to the power 6 into 5 raised to the power 7 into 5 raised to the power 2 into 5 raised to the power 2. So the question is given, we have to simplify it, and answer we have to write in exponential form only. So observe in this question, the bases are given equal, that is 5, and the exponents are given different, and it is in the form of multiplication. So when the bases are equal and it is in the form of multiplication, that time we have to add the powers according to the law of exponents. So the solution: 5 raised to the power 6 into 5 raised to the power 7 into 5 raised to the power 2 into 5 raised to the power 2 equals to 5 raised to the power 6 plus 7 plus 2 plus 2. So here base is equal, so we will take base as 5 and exponents we have to add according to the rule. So that is 5 raised to the power 17. When we add 6 plus 7 plus 2 plus 2 is equals to 17. So that is a raised to the power m into a raised to the power n equals to a raised to the power m plus n. So we have applied this law here in this question. So therefore 5 raised to the power 6 into 5 raised to the power 7 into 5 raised to the power 2 into 5 raised to the power 2 is equals to 5 raised to the power 17. Then the question B. It is given 100 raised to the power 10 into 10 raised to the power 2. So the solution, we can write 100 raised to the power 10 into 10 raised to the power 2 as 10 into 10 whole raised to the power 10 into 10 raised to the power 2. Yes, here it is given 100 as a base and its exponent is given 10, and we know that 100 can be written as 10 into 10 because 10 into 10 is 100. So that's why we have written 100 as 10 into 10, and if the exponent is given 10, so we can take the exponent as whole for this 10 into 10 as a 10, and if the exponent is given for both 10 into 10, then we can write it individually, that it means the power exponent of 10 will be 10 and the exponent of this 10 will be 10. So we can write it as 10 raised to the power 10 into 10 raised to the power 10 into 10 raised to the power 2. So now observe here, we got the basis as equal and exponents are different, and it is given in the form of multiplication. It means we will apply the law of exponent, and according to the law, if base is same and it is given in the form of multiplication, that time we have to add the exponent. So that is 10 raised to the power 10 plus 10 plus 2, which is equals to 10 raised to the power 22. According to the law, a raised to the power m into a raised to the power n is equals to a raised to the power m plus n. This is the law which we have used here. Therefore, 100 raised to the power 10 into 10 raised to the power 2 is equals to 10 raised to the power 22. Then the next question, C. It is given 1 by 4 raised to the power 5 into 1 by 4 raised to the power minus 5. So the solution is, now we can write this 1 divided by 4 raised to the power 5 into 1 divided by 4 raised to the power minus 5 is equals to 1 divided by 4 raised to the power 5. So here we have written this 1 by 4 raised to the power 5 as it is, and 1 by 4 raised to the power minus 5 we have written it as 4 raised to the power 5. You can say it is the reciprocal of 4 by 5, or you can say 1 divided by 4 raised to the power minus 5 is a reciprocal of 4 raised to the power 5. So we have the law also for this formula, that is 1 upon a raised to the power minus m is equals to a raised to the power m. So here we can write 4 raised to the power 5 divided by 4 raised to the power 5, because 1 into 4 raised to the power 5 is equals to 4 raised to the power 5. Now here we got the bases are equal and exponents also as equal. When the bases are equal and it is given in the form of division, that time we have to do the subtraction of the exponents. So that equals to 4 raised to the power 5 divided by 4 raised to the power 5, and we have the law, that is a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n equals to a raised to the power m minus n. So that is a 4 raised to the power 5 minus 5, which is equals to 4 raised to the power 4. And we know that according to the law of exponent, if any base is given with exponent as 0, then it is equals to 1. So that is 4 raised to the power 0 is equals to 1, as we have a law for it, that is a raised to the power 0 is equals to 1. Then our next question, D. Minus 2 raised to the power 6 divided by minus 2 raised to the power anything not given, it means minus 2 raised to the power 1. Now the solution is minus 2 raised to the power 6 divided by minus 2 is equals to minus 2 raised to the power 6 divided by minus 2 raised to the power 1. As I told you here only, if exponent is not given to the base, it means the exponent will be 1. So we can write it as minus 2 raised to the power 6 divided by minus 2 raised to the power 1. Now observe here, the bases are equal, that is minus 2, and the exponents are given different, and it is given with the division. It means by the law we have to do the subtraction between the exponents. So we can write minus 2 as a base, that is minus 2 raised to the power 6 minus 1, which is equals to minus 2 raised to the power 5. So here we have applied the law, a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n equals to a raised to the power m minus n. Therefore minus 2 raised to the power 6 divided by minus 2 is equals to minus 2 raised to the power 5. So I hope you understand the question number 1 of this exercise 5.2. If you like my teaching, so please do like, subscribe and share to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.